Hi, Elliot White here for Grand Canyon Gas Logs. Today we're going to go over a few easy steps on the installation and setup of your new Grand Canyon Gas Logs 2-burner system with Skytech AF-LMF valve system, specifically assembled for Williams Distributing. Come take a look. The factory installed valve systems ensure perfect pilot placement, perfect valve placement, and locations for a valve to be installed that don't overheat in a fireplace. As you unbox the burner kit, you'll notice the assembled system part number on the exterior of the box. Upon opening the box, you'll find your lava rock, as well as black embers, connection fittings, rating plate, installation manual, and rear risers. Customers and installers love this feature as there is less time spent on site during installation in the customer's home. We also install the valve on the left side of the burner and can certainly install the valve on the right upon request. One of the assembled valves provided by Grand Canyon is the AF-LMF valve system provided by Skytech. This valve system is a manual safety pilot and is great because you can easily upsell to a stepper motor so you can adjust the flame up and down with the remote while sitting on your couch. The Grand Canyon 2-burner with factory installed AF-LMF valve will fit tightly on the display rack from side to side. Assembling the valve on the burner puts the burner slightly off center on the rack, but remember, when installing this in a fireplace, the minimum opening width will be 42 inches as the display rack is only 28 inches. If the burner being off center is undesirable, simply unhook the flex line, turn the valve on its side, and reattach the flex line. It's simple and easy. Now that we have the burner in box, let's set it up on our 3-tier display rack. Now that we have the burner and valve set up, simply connect the gas line. The next key factor in setting up any Grand Canyon Gas Logs log set is embers. We are now dyeing our embers black to create that authentic coal burning look. Embers are the key component that disperse the flame and give that lasting coal glow under the front log. Embers should be torn in the smallest size possible, completely covering the burner and front bar stock up to the bottom of the log. Lava rock is then added to the hearth around the burner, covering up any sharp edges of the burner and helping to conceal the valve. The final step in the setup is now to place the logs. Upon opening up the log box, you'll find a log placement guide step by step. Follow this log placement guide for proper log placement and less flame impingement. With the top log set now on the rack complete, it's now your turn to finish the other 2 shelves. Send us your installation picture so we can get you added to our dealer locator and properly promote you on our social media outlets. For any other questions, please log on to grandcanyongaslogs.com or email our customer service staff at customerservice@grandcanyongaslogs.com. Grand Canyon Gas Logs, real logs from real people.